Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox with Revolve Realty here, talking to Noel Bishop of Bishop 30 Solutions. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good. We are, in this series of videos, we're talking about a variety of topics, but all of them pertaining about ways to keep yourself and your family safe.
Yep.
Whether you are at home, at school, at church, at the mall. This video, I want to talk a little bit about home defense and home safety. We talked about, not making your home an easy mark, using the lights, that sort of thing. What about, and God forbid this ever happened to someone, but you plan for things whether they're going to happen or not.
Right.
How do you protect your home from a home invasion or intruders, or you wake up in the middle of the night and the guy's standing there?
Right.
What are some of the things you should do? I know you talk about having a plan.
Right.
Talk about that.
So, I mean, you may have an alarm system. You may have your lighting system. All that can be defeated. A bad guy that's determined, he'll get through it. So what you need to have is a well-rehearsed plan.
Okay.
A family plan.
That involves everyone in the house.
Yes. So I teach, when I teach a home defense course, I come to your house and we go through the house. We find out where your kids are. We find out, are you close to the master bedroom, close to where your children are? And so we develop a plan because, I mean, let's face it, kids come first.
Yeah.
Parents have got to secure their kids. So I don't teach going after the intruder. I teach securing your kids, or if you don't have kids, securing in your bedroom, like in a barricade type position, like in the bathroom or something where you have some protection, and hold. We go through, you need to have a script that you talk to 911, keep 911 on the line so that they are recording and hear everything that's going on. But you've got to get those kids. So depending on the layout of the house, depending on what skills you're going to utilize to get them. And once you have those kids, you're going to hold, you're going to barricade, and you're going to let the police come and deal with it.
Right.
The other, the sad thing is we always hear about the drunk neighbor. You can't just, Alabama, if someone comes in your house, the laws are very liberal. What happens to that individual?
Are we a stand your ground state?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, they don't call it that exactly.
The castle law or something like that.
So, but wouldn't you feel very bad if your drunk neighbor came in and you shot him and he was just, you just made a mistake?
Depends on which neighbor.
That may be true.
I got to be honest with you.
But you got to identify that.
I understand. One thing we talked about off air was I used to be in the gun business.
Yeah.
And we had folks that would come in every day and I want to buy a gun for home defense. And we kind of talked about, do you really want to use a 45 with hollow point bullets? Do you want to use a shotgun? What do you suggest for home defense?
What I suggest for home defense is get a decent caliber anywhere is a pistol, and a pistol anywhere from like 9mm on up to 45. Whatever the pistol is, be proficient with it. Okay?
Get some training.
Get some training.
Right.
Not just, it's good to go to the range. You need to know how it functions, but you need to get some defensive type training.
Okay.
And those skills are the things that are going to save your life. But to me, I used to be a caliber guy. I don't really care about that. You need to be able to apply it and use the gun effectively.
If you've got the biggest gun in the world but you can't hit anything with it, it doesn't do you a lot of good.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
well, I know one thing that Noel does is you will actually come to the home and help them develop this plan, and that way be prepared.
Right.
I think is the moral to this story.
And those skills don't only apply in your home, it applies anywhere.
Right.
Now the plan will be specific to the house, but the skills you learn can be applied to the mall, so forth and so on, which lends itself to a reason why I started this business, because I want to give people confidence to be able to take care of a situation.
Okay. Very good. Hey, if you would like for Noel to come to your home and take a look around and give you some advice and work with you, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, you can jump on my website at bishop30solutions.com. That's bishop30solutions.com. Or I would really like to hear from you. Give me a call, 256-513-8255. 888-222-2280.
Very good. And if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, do not hesitate to call 679-0704 or find me on the web at revolved.com. We're going to do, I think in the next video, we're going to continue the home security, home safety tip type stuff. So you don't want to miss that. So hang around.
See ya.